My passion for green juice came following my experience with breast cancer 11 years ago. Both my sister and I had breast cancer in our early 30s. And after over 2 years of treatment, chemotherapy, multiple surgeries, I went on my own health journey to try to figure out a way to make sure my cancer didn't come back. There's an amazing connection between food and disease, and that I could really help myself by moving towards an organic diet, moving towards a more plant-based diet. And I realized 4 years ago that there's something really magical about drinking a green juice every day. Here in Texas, down the valley and down further into Mexico, we have an amazing growing season year-round. Our greens grow, our organic greens grow. And so we're able to transport them to our plant within just a few hours. Everything that we do, we're fully vertically integrated. Everything we do actually happens within these four walls. We have 20,000 square feet here with room to expand. There's anywhere from like 3 to 10 ingredients in each one of our bottles of daily greens. And so how do you track that? Figure out actually how much is it costing you to make a bottle of juice.
We had a challenge of even understanding what our cost of goods sold was every single month. With SAP now, we're able to not only know what that is accurately, we're able to know even the cost of this bottle, this exact bottle, every SKU that Daily Greens produces. We have that visibility of its cost now. So if it ever needs to be traced back, we can identify that in SAP of exactly what products, exactly which units went to each delivery to each customer. So Consensus came on. Besides giving us that visibility and the cost, it helped us kind of look at some of our processes, take them in these certain stages and become more precise with our recipes, with the flow of inventory, with the manner that we produce, look at ourselves to see how we could better improve to be more precise. We expect that out of the bottle to be of high quality, so we expect that out of ourselves as well. Organic produce, organic juice has become more and more popular. Every grocery store in every city is focused on organic.
Our mission and vision for the company is to get a green juice into the hands of everybody, which means we need to make it available everywhere, and we also need to make it affordable. And so SAP's been able to give us the visibility to be able to make educated decisions so that you have the opportunity for this amazing health benefit in your life every day. That's the passion. That's why I see Daily Greens over the next 5 years is everywhere, in your airport, in your local convenience store, in your local restaurant, everywhere in your everyday life.